In this tutorial, 2 ways to manage eBay profiles in WMS360. Edit a profile, or duplicate one to create a new one quickly. First, how to edit a profile. Then, how to duplicate and customize a copy. 2 separate actions. In the sidebar, expand eBay and click Profile. Each profile has Edit, Duplicate, and Delete options. Let's click Edit. The Edit Profile modal shows all your settings. Change the name, description, or category. Scroll down to update policies and location. You can also change the postcode. Click Update Profile to save your changes. Your profile has been updated successfully. To duplicate, click the copy icon. Confirm, and a new copy appears at the top of the list. Now edit the duplicated profile to customize it. Rename it, change the category or condition, and adjust any settings that differ from the original. Click Update Profile to save. That's how easy it is to manage your eBay profiles in WMS360. Try it yourself. Start your free 14-day trial at WMS360.co.uk. No credit card required.